If you'd ask me what the most commonly requested home type is for a Vancouver Island home buyer, I'd tell you that it's got to be at least 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 bathrooms, be all on one level, have an attached 2-car garage, and be at least 1,500 square feet. Let me introduce you to 4992 Currie Place here in North Nanaimo's Hammond Bay neighborhood. Follow me as I show you around this beautiful property. Single-level patio homes with attached 2-car garages are the blue chip stock of the Vancouver Island real estate market. This beautifully finished home has over 1,500 square feet of single-level living. The open floor plan living space connects the open kitchen to the high-ceiling living room. The living space and kitchen are finished with hardwood floors, granite countertops, stainless appliances, and a cozy natural gas fireplace. There is a large island with a convenient breakfast bar. This home has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den that can easily function as a 3rd bedroom. In addition to the 2-car garage, there is an additional parking stall exclusive to this unit. The location of this home receives exceptional sun exposure and enjoys privacy from all sides. It doesn't get any better than this. To get your hands on a full information package that includes floor plans and all the other details, or to book yourself a private showing, you can reach out to me or my team at johncooper.ca. I'm John Cooper with John Cooper & Associates eXp Realty, and we are ready when you are.